Hello everyone, I'm Barrister Garn from Siam Center Law Group. Today we'll talk about an important topic that both employers and employees should know. The 7 legal reasons under Section 119 of the Labor Protection Act that allow an employer to terminate an employee without paying severance compensation. The 7 reasons are as follows. First, dishonesty in duty, such as using company resources for personal business, selling company secret, or setting up a business that competes with the employer. Second, committing a criminal offense against the employer, such as embezzlement, fraud, assault, or forgery. Even if no actual damage occurs, the intent itself is considered a violation. Third, deliberately causing the employer harm. For example, spreading false information that damages the company's reputation even without personal gain. Fourth, gross negligence, such as misconfiguring production leading to an entire batch of defective goods or allowing high-value assets to be lost. Fifth, violating the employer's rules and regulations. In serious cases, such as removing important documents from the company or fighting in the workplace, the employer may terminate immediately. But in minor cases, like being late for work, the employer must first issue a written warning, and only if the employee repeats the same violation within 1 year can termination be justified. Sixth, being absent for more than 3 consecutive working days without a valid reason. For example, taking Thursday, Friday, and Monday off is already 3 days. Exceptions apply if the absence is due to force majeure, such as flooding or a serious accident. Seventh, being sentenced to imprisonment, regardless of whether the case relates to work or not. The employer may terminate, except when the offense is due to negligence or is a petty offense that does not cause the employer any damage. One key point to remember is that even if an employee's conduct falls under these 7 categories, the employer must state the reason clearly in the termination letter. If the employer fails to do so, they are still required to pay severance compensation. Understanding labor law not only helps employers comply with the law correctly, but also allows employees to protect their own rights and prevent disputes from escalating in the future. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get first-hand news.